My name is Moshtaba and I'm 29 years old. So I guess I have had the problem with my receding hairline since around 10 years ago. It's actually runs in the family and it was always like bothering me a little bit, especially in the last few years. It receded a lot. So I was always thinking about different ways of actually doing treatments on it, and I actually tried quite a few different ways. But none of them were really working and really helpful. So since a year ago, I actually started thinking about maybe doing a hair transplant surgery. And I did a lot of research about where to do it. So there were some doctors in Amsterdam, Netherlands, where I live. But based on the reviews that I heard, it seemed that there are better surgeons here in Turkey. After doing maybe a few months of research, I finally figured out that Dr. Ahmed is really famous here. And throughout my searches in the internet, to be honest, I didn't even find a negative review. So that was a reason that I actually decided to come to the long hair clinic. And when I came here, to be honest, I really loved the procedure from the beginning. Because from the moment that I arrived, the translator was with me. They took me to the hotel. The hotel was really clean and really nice. And also during the surgery, the translator were there whenever I had any kind of questions. Also the team were really confident and calm and really working in a detailed way. And also Dr. Ahmed was during the surgery, especially working on the most important parts. And it gave me a lot of the feeling of security, because I was feeling all the time that I was in good hands. The surgery was also not as painful as I expected, because just for a few minutes of adding anesthesia, and after that I didn't basically feel any pain at all, and that was basically it. Now actually we just did the washing of my head and I saw the new hairline, and it seems really great. So I'm really excited to see my hair growing back again.